said, I can see Mr. Alan Jenga. Nitamualika tu haraka asalimiane dakika moja. Alan Jenga ndiye amesimamia Nibs College kwa saa hii after Madam Liz Wanyoike aliyekuwa rafiki wa kanisa hili ameondoka. Alan Jenga ameshikilia hilo kanisa, na wanafunzi wengi wetu, wanafunzi wengi wa JCM wako Nibs College wakiongozwa na Baba June, and they are fully sponsored by the church. Now you can confirm wanafunzi wetu wote wamelipiwa mitihani. Dongo alilipa hiyo mitihani. Ulilipa lini? Thursday. Kwa hivyo sisi mitihani yetu yote tumelipa. Nataka usalimie kanisa la JCM.
Thank you very much mchungaji. Thank you muno Bishop. Hamjambo kanisa. Muriega. Thank you muno. Ndina gikeno ni guka nyumba-ini ino ya Ngai. Ndire ndoka guku na ni ndamaka riria ndakinya guku. Bishop, I never thought this is how it is. May all the glory and honor be to God.
Amen.
Kiria giatuma njuke kanitha-ini uyu is a joy, and on the other side a bit sad kidogo, but I will just mention why I came. I came to this church tondu Madam Liz Wanyoike atanahuruka ni ajirite tuke kanitha-ini uyu, na tondu niendete kiengei muno 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 hindi yo then tiguo akimwitaga no ngumwita Bishop to ni Bishop. Muthenya omwe ni twathire thibitari Agakani, na niguo muthenya uria baba wa Bishop athikagwo. Twira-ini akinjira ndegutira mathiko mau tondu ndagitari amuhete appointment ya thaa imwe akimwire guka thaa 3. She was sick. We traveled all the way ginyagia mathiko kuria. Madam Liz ni aremirwo ni kuma ngari akinya mathiko-ini. Akinjira Jenga ume uthie haria Pastor Ben ari umwire ndi haha ngari-ini no ndaremwo ni kuma. Ni ndaremirwo ni gukinya haria pastor ari tondu mari na andu aingi mamurigiceirie hau, na ni kwari na andu aingi muno muno muno. Liz ndahotire gukinya haria pastor ari. She went back to the hospital the same day and she was admitted. Giona docio wari munene muno muno muno, na tuthiete jaya bururi to seek medication. Liz Sunday athiaga tablet-ini yake guguthikiriria ari bururi wa Southern India. Wendo cio urahota muno, na ndiroiga tondu wina consecration on Friday. I went to Bishop akiamurwo hige ngoro-ini yakwa wa Liz, and what I have done, I have only done on her behalf in a small way but with a lot of love.
Amen. Wow. Amen. Unajua Liz alikuwa rafiki yangu zaidi, and before she passed on ndama hostile kwa Dina Menajega na muini wetagwo Rachel Jerry. Na Liz, I remember tuikanitha wa Gatundu aria maririkanaga ndamurwo Sunday ya keri niguo Liz yokire, na first Sunday ndamurwo niguo Liz okire, na kioro kiria mofam akire mundu wa mbere kuheana thimiti ari Liz Wanyoike, na mathiko-ini make ni ndaremirwo gukiririria. Ndaikaririo hanini gicoka ngiuma tonda ndatorekire muno. But I want to thank God, Jenga, ati umuthi out of this love ni mwaturehera 30,000 Kenya shillings ni tondu wa wendo uria wari na Liz. To the management of Nibs, thie mumere ntucoketie ngatho ona ni guikara na ciana citu, na ni tuguthi nie Jenga no amwire gutire mwaka itaheaga Nibs mwana wa guthomithia wakwa kwirutira. Riu ritari niguo turamahire nyingi cia kanitha, na o mwaka gutire mwaka itathomithagiria mwana Nibs, o mwana ndutite handu fulani. And I thank God na Jenga Ngai amurathime. We appreciate. Asante sana. Wapigieni makofi mazuri. Mungu awabariki sana. Umuthi twina ageni aingi nguhunjio mahinda manini. Ageni twina aingi matongoretio ni Mr. Peter Muinami. Muthuri uyu hau mwaigua akiuga ni ndamuumiriirie muno. Petans Driving School yambirio na gibathi gikuru muno, na nikiratoire giteto hare Roisabu giathire ku mwagitwarire ku ambirie na bathi with your team. Thomas, tumetoka mbali sana na wewe. Niĩ Ngai amũrathime niguka gutwekera urugari na tureka ni undu wa bata. Dominic muthuri na mucambia nginya kameme ngaugate ariagira nyeni gatura gabakuri gake ni ndura munuthu na ndari arakara nginya guthie kuria kwao kimahuri mukirire kameme. And I thank God ni tondu wa thabari yo tuthiete na ni mwe nie ndiriganagirwo mundu wothe wanahutia ngoro yakwa ndimugwetaga na ritwa Ngai witu amurathime uria mwatwika na ithui tutigaga kumugweta unity. Ciana icio mwatuera ndung'une ku register andu acio kuria welfare office and be sure tukumurehera the most needy people. Na twago promise atumia acio eri merwo mathie mathome kothia beauty cosmetology. I promise you mari gakumagira Ngai witu aro murathima. I'll make sure acio mukwea eri makauma kwanyu mathiete wira kaba jage kuria jage kunyua atumia acio eri mwatu aitu aria kumathondeka. And that is what JCM is doing, raising opportunities for people. May God bless you. Nidakena muno. Amen. Nikurikia ndirarikia na ngirikia. We have Mr. Kanithoyo agorire ndugamite haha gatagati arehirwo ni Mheshimiwa Kamau wa Migwi okari akijuri Bishop Kanithoyo ni muthaka muno no uguo andu marakinyanga kagoto ngimutiga haria ngithie office ngiuga ni aragerie ku ngita mathai ngimwira ni uri mundu ngiwendagia kabro ngimwira ta munengere quotation umurie ni bia sigana measurement iria uyu ru wanaire we ucio ngiaturie 5.4 ngira mathai kabocio wikuria twacoka ngimuria tiriri niki kiratuma twenderie kabro uguo agitwira ni ndenda kuruta wira wa Ngai na ndenda kuhanda ingiamwenderia goro no ndenda kuhanda kabuni yakwa ithereme. Na to ninyonete JCM kwina itunda ria kutheremia kindu reke nani ndirutire na kabro icio uguo ndamwenderia ngumurehera nginya kanitha agicoka agitwira na mutikuri ha ciothe mukuri ha kahora nginya mukariki. This man has a good heart. Na nikioro ni kabro turekerire kabro tutari na stress tondari atuhika no ne twamwiraga no twende tugikinya kiamuro tukorwo na kabros kanitha wothe. And today riu atumia riu ni maroka na mikanya yao na makauma wega. Mr. Waithaka ni tukenete na tondu ni uratwekire wega
a lot of projects na nie gitumi kimwe gya kona turutite wira ucio ndireciria tondu wa kunyitana na Bishop. Koguo no nyere tuhurire Bishop ruhi rwega. Apart from to install, so for the entire church we've done supply and installation. And oria mwira ona tukiajia guku gutiri ona ciringi ambite kurutwo ni ndamwirire reke ndute wira ni tuguthii oria mukwenda ni mukenete mungenda turuthanie wira hamwe na ringi reke nyambe njokerie mathai rugama ni kwenda gucokeria muthuri ucio ngatho kuma gitira-ini kia ngoro yakwa ni tondu woria tutwaranite nawe ona ndirahavaga kuhurira Bishop ndamwira he kiria kirabatarika ni kirakoragwo haha on time. So thanks a lot, I really appreciate. So mungenda turutithanie wira ndimuhe namba yakwa 0748 97777 0748 977 We are right behind Shell Windsor Nemogotokora hau. Our social medias ni Huge Share Concretes Limited or Huge Concretes Limited. Asanteni sana.
Mungu abariki sana Mr. Waithaka. Na by the way, ameajiri watu wa hili kanisa letu. Hata yule engineer alifanya hii kazi ni mwanamke. Ako wapi? Eko Phyllis. Amekaa wapi? Huyo ni mshirika witu na andikitwo ni Waithaka. Na ni mwanamke atumia atigai kwĩhũthia. Mutumia uyo no ararutire wĩra ũyũ wothe murona uyu. Na ni anafanya kazi na Huge Share. Na ametuchukulia wafanyikazi wetu na arĩa angĩ maraheagwo wĩra no we ũramaheaga. We appreciate you Mr. Waithaka. Na Ngai witũ nĩ njũĩ nĩ agũthiĩ na mbere na gũkũrathima.
Thank you. Nĩ ngũriganĩirwo gũikĩrĩria ordination. So Huge Share Concretes and the team nĩ maheana 100,000.
Wow, amen. Tupigie Waithaka makofi mazuri. Ona nĩ tondũ wa gũka na wona nĩ wega ucokie guoko harĩa ũgĩtũkamĩte. Ninajua niko na wageni wengi sana. But in 1 minute, please allow me to welcome Mheshimiwa Mara to come and greet you. Kwa sababu tunakupenda. Huyu muthuri nitwathire nake gathabarĩ na ni muthuri mwega na ni arĩ itĩo muno. Arugamaga gĩtĩ kũrĩa MP wa Limuru, aracoka rita rĩrĩ rĩngĩ ararugama senator wa Kiambu, aroka namba 2. Namba 2 tokũhotwo githĩ tiguo? Ndũngĩhana mũndũ ũkĩte mũgwanja. Praise the name of the Lord. Karibu sana mheshimiwa, usalimie kanisa nigetha rĩu ndĩmũhunjĩrie dakika 15 peke yake. Karibu sana mheshimiwa. Karibu sana.
Asante Bishop wangu elect Bishop Ben pamoja na uongozi wa kanisa letu la JCM, washiriki wote, Mungu ni mwema na kila wakati. Let me first of all talk to what is very visible. Kumarerea twirigaine hĩndĩ warĩ Pastor Ben ũgĩũka gũkũ nĩ ndona wĩra ũrĩa ũrutĩte over the last 2 years. A beautiful church, a beautiful sanctuary, ina andũ aingĩ mũno who I believe mayũrĩtwo nĩ roho wa kĩngai. This is commendable and I want to congratulate you. It's a beautiful sanctuary, and from 2022 ngoretwo ngĩcaria kanitha ũrĩa ndĩrĩthiaga ũkũhũnia ngoro yakwa na ngaiganĩra ngoima njiguĩte atĩ ndĩ blessed, and I think I have found that sanctuary. I'll just say 2 things. Nguga maũndũ merĩ tu. Wakati nilikuwa katika harakati zangu za kisiasa nikiwania wadhifa wa useneta katika kata letu la Kiambu, nilipata nafasi ya kukutana naye wakati huo Pastor Ben. Na Pastor Ben ndiathiĩte ahunjĩrie, twacemanirie nake twĩ biacara-inĩ tondũ nĩguo ndalaunchaga my senatorial bid gũkũ Kiambu. Niwe waheire idea ũrĩa ngolaunch senatorial bid yakwa, akĩorganize maũndũ macio mothe kũrĩa ndekĩire, maũndũ marĩa mekagwo mothe, decoration ya hall, aini, atangathi, and tell you what kanitha. Ona rwĩmbo rũrĩa mũhũraga mũkaigua rũkĩina thimũ-inĩ yakwa niwe wainire. Ona gũcoka gũtuĩka atĩ nĩ kũgĩa na slogan kanyitire mũno, slogan ambayo ilishika sana, atĩ maitho make yoimĩte kwa Pastor Ben. Kwa hivyo wakati nimesimama hapa, nasimama kusema asante ndugu yangu, ulichangia pakubwa sana katika harakati zangu za kisiasa, and I am also equally blessed that I am now in your sanctuary. Thank you very much. As I sit down, because I must sit down, nimwendekire siasa ine kahora nĩ tũracoka o kahora na nindi gũikia kĩara harĩa twarũmĩirwo nĩkĩo njũkĩte gũkũ na nĩ mũrĩa ndakiuga mũndũ mũgĩ ndarĩ kĩ mere ohoro. Pastor Ben, allow me as I stand here. There's one thing that I must say. Nĩ mũiguĩte na mũkona ndĩ kũrĩa Limuru na kũrĩa kũngĩ tũkĩaria ũhoro wa Limuru 3. Among the many things that we are talking about thĩinĩ wa Limuru 3 ni a very important conversation that has been put aside or set aside by this nation. And the time for that conversation has come. It is now. We are talking about one man. Is where is the man? Tanyodia the man. Where is the man? The man. The man is here. Does the man have the vote? When a vote? The mutiri na vote. Neke mani atare nakyo. Neke the shirigi. Kogre atwa kiugo horo wa one man, one vote, one shilling. We are looking and talking about equity and equal distribution of resources. Thĩinĩ wa the national government na matũra-inĩ maitũ. That is as simple as we are saying. Na tũtiroiga atĩ mũndũ ũrĩa wĩna ciringi atunywo aca. If anything nĩongererwo no ũrĩa ũtarĩ anayo kĩrĩa gĩgĩake. Hena mahĩtia andũ aitũ. Hau hena bara. That is all that we are saying. So I am indeed very happy that I'm here, Pastor Ben. Na tondũ I know next week is your big day. Is your big day. And I have walked with you all the way from Gatondo to now here. I have bahasha yakwa nini may accept ogwe here now. I have reasons to believe that I will be able to join you this coming weekend. Na hoere, the reason that me and you did not move on to the next level ya senator ni adwaya. No adwaya no we nao no mareithagia umatwarithia kahora kinya matweteke. I want to say thank you very much and God bless you all. Asante.
Amen. Let us appreciate Mwenyezi Mungu. Bariki. Tumpigie makofi mengine mazuri.